Guys, do you play Pokemon Go? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of PokéCoins completely for free. No jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, I have over 13,000 right now. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get a ton of PokéCoins completely for free, guys. This is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, if you like Pokemon Go, then I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited PokéCoins. This is super insane and it is totally working, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. Guys, so as you can see, I have over 13,000 PokéCoins, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. This is super insane. It actually works as well. So first things first, we need to go to Zoo Mods. This site has a ton of mods for like apps and games. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go. Or it's actually not, it's Poke. So as you can see, it says PokéCoins mods, so just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try this out for yourself, guys, because it's super insane. And if we go to the search bar and type in Pokemon Go, as you can see, guys, the coins are super expensive. So that's why I don't encourage you guys to spend any money on this whatsoever, because you can get everything for free. So as you can see, guys, here's how much the coins cost. It's super ridiculous. So if you want to get them all for free, guys, just go to Zoo Mods. You're going to be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, it's super insane. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. It actually works. So yeah, I don't really have a lot of PokéCoins, but now that I tried this method, I got 13,000, bro. This is super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, and it actually works. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out. It's super cool. You can see I got 13,000 coins. Dang, bro, what the heck? So yeah, I don't really play Pokemon Go because I didn't have any money, and now I play it all the time because I can buy as many Pokeballs and stuff as I need. So yeah, try this out, guys. It's fully working. It's super cool, and all you gotta do is go to search bar and just type in Poke, and then you see it says PokéCoins, and you're gonna be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super awesome. It fully works, so be sure to get the word out. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and were able to get a ton of PokéCoins for free.